person in your mind wants to tell you something. Okay. Yeah, no. Yeah, no. I feel the ego-driven, dito, energy. You are dealing with a person with ego-driven energy. Yung matataas ang pride. I just want you all the time. They are selfish with you, pero they are ego-driven. Have I lost everything? Ngayon, nare-realize niya doon sa kanya pride, gusto niya sabihin kung, or itanong, have I lost everything? Listen to your heart. Okay. So, this energy, masasabi natin, yes, may something na nangyari. You are dealing with people, with person na ego-driven, and that causes something with your connection, and gusto niya yung connection with you, pero sabihin natin naging egocentric siya. And ngayon ay, kumbaga, gusto niya ng chances. Gusto niya ng chances from you. Gusto niya ng chances, makinig ka. Okay. So, ego-driven, and may something dito sa person mo. But, their higher self wants you to listen to your heart. Okay? Kung ano man yung, kasi may ganyan, minsan ang nakikipag-connect sa atin is their higher self, not their 3D self. Diba? Listen to your heart. Tama pa ba? Maybe kailangan niya ng something na sign para mabago kung meron man dapat baguhin sa kanya. Kasi, have I lost everything? May mga realizations na kailangan mangyari, may mga bagay na kailangan mangyari for their realizations. And kagaya niyan, eto, makatutulong ba sa inyo sa situation or relationship niyong dalawa to? So, I am obsessed with your body. Listen to your heart. Kung yan yung gusto niya ngayon, pakinggan mo ang isip mo, ganyan din ba ang gusto mo?